Just want to make a quick video in sports mode. Got the RT in sports mode. I want you guys to hear the new Thrush mufflers with the resonators, and I get little to no drone. So here he goes. That is with the windows up. I'm gonna try to go to this next corner, see if you guys can hear it again with the the windows down. Sorry about that. Do it one more time for you guys with the windows up. I'm gonna try. So yeah, just got those Thrush Rattlers on. I'm loving it actually. It's beautiful, beautiful growl, beautiful roar. If you don't want all that drone and you do not want to take the resonators off so you're waking up the neighbors, it's kind of loud with the cold start in the morning, but I don't know, it calms down a little bit. It's about, what, 3-4 days I've been driving with them, and I noticed they have got louder over time, and I like it. A nice growl, like I said, with no drone. All right, guys.